Hi everyone, so today I am going to show my artsy stamper at Fall Flowers Junk Journal, and I will just want to show you this, and I personally thought this doily went along with her work, and I wanted to make sure it was cohesive together. And then I printed out one of her stamps onto acetate and colored it in to make a cute little pocket. And her beautiful papers. And I did a playing card with wallpaper. And a cute little journaling card with graph paper on the back. With her pretty mom. I think that's a mom anyways. I'm not good at this, so, or that portion. And then I added scrapbooking paper to enhance her papers a little, and added some lace on the side. I did not add very many pockets to this one, but there's a pocket, and then one long tag and a short tag, and then a little playing card in there. I did grab a bunch of playing cards to add to this just because I thought it would be cute little things to add to it. And then decoupage, flip out, or flip down I should say. And one of my daughter's papers. Cute little card pocket and tag there. And I thought this went very well with her papers and made it look very cohesive. And my daughter added the 29 to that. I thought it was cute, so. And this one's a flip out. That, and then it has a little definition that's in the pocket here. And there's our other pocket. Has a short card there and another playing card. And again, I love these papers. I thought it would be a great idea. Decoupage tag, a long tag, and a short tag, or journaling or playing card with wallpaper in the back of it. And then a decoupaged pocket. And the end. And I'm gonna have to get what you guys think on this. Artsy Stamper said it should be distressed, these flowers, and I chose not to, again, because I thought then it's cohesive with the entire thing, with the white here and the white here, and this part being white. I just wanted to make sure it was all cohesive and nothing too poppy. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.